AI seems to be everywhere. Every new product, every app, every game is boasting about its AI capabilities. When ChatGPT launched in late 2022, it reached the milestone of having 100 million users in just 2 months, the fastest growing consumer app in history. So, this must mean AI is a pretty new technology, right? Not quite. It all started back in the 1950s when computer scientists started getting excited about intelligent machines. The term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956 at a conference hosted by Dartmouth University. Attendees thought they would figure out AI by the end of the event. They didn't. Early AI focused on rule based logic, basically teaching machines to follow instructions and solve problems step by step. By 1966, we had our first chatbot, Eliza. It mimicked a psychotherapist by flipping your questions back at you. Not very sophisticated, but it got people thinking that machines could hold conversations. Fast forward to the 1980s and 90s, and a new approach was taking over: machine learning. Instead of telling the computer what to do, you showed it data and it learned patterns on its own. In 1997, there was a significant AI milestone. IBM's computer beat chess champion Garry Kasparov, and it was a turning point. A machine had beaten a human grandmaster at one of the most strategic games ever created. Suddenly, AI wasn't just a lab experiment, it was headline news. But things really took off in the 2010s. In 2014, a researcher named Ian Goodfellow introduced something groundbreaking: generative adversarial networks, or GANs. These systems didn't just learn from data, they created it. This paved the way for computers to generate realistic images, videos, and more. The tech world was off to the races. Tech companies started developing AI systems that could write essays, paint portraits, compose music, deepfake videos, and even design fashion. As you can see, AI didn't just appear overnight. It's been decades in the making. But these tools have only just become accessible to regular consumers and companies. So the story of AI is being generated as we speak. And as AI tools get better and better, maybe they'll start generating their own story.